Coming annual examination, you have already seen the questions that is already displayed in their WhatsApp group. Algebra, it is already there. So algebra, we have already came across many times of revisions. Still, we will do because many children are not doing proper steps and all. So that is the reason we have to. And that is the reason we have to repeat the steps and we have to repeat the questions. So the first question, let Kanika's present age be X years. Complete the following table showing the ages of her relatives. If it is a 1 mark question, you just write the answer, doesn't matter. But if it is 2 mark and 3 mark, you must show the solution also. So here I have explained with the solutions. Your Kanika's present age is X years. So it is already explained that her age should be taken X. So you cannot opt other than X. Some children, what they have done in the last exam, some other letter they have used. Instead of Y, they have used A, B, like that. Then we cannot give the mark. So clearly it is mentioned in the question, Kanika's present age will be X years. Complete the following table, ages of her relatives. Her brother is 2 years younger. Her brother is 2 years younger, means less than 2 only. So how we'll write less than 2? X minus 2. From X only we are reducing 2. So it will be X minus 2. So next is that brother's age. Brother's age will be X minus 2 years. That means suppose you are having 10 years and your brother will have 8 years only. So 10 minus 2 only, you are doing the same process. We have to use algebra. So how to write that one? X minus 2 only. So next question, related to Kanika's age, we have to write for father's age, right? Her father's age exceeds her age by 35 years. Exceeds means it is more, right? So why I'm explaining this question, already explained when we are teaching this time. So exceeds means it is more only. Then what we should do, we have to do in maths, it is addition, right? So addition we have to do, that is why here it is written X plus 35. With Kanika we have to say what is her father's age, right? So that is why X plus 35 we are getting. Now Kanika's percentage again we are relating, because based on Kanika's age only we have to go. What is the third question? The mother's age is 3 years less than that of her father. So from the father's age, we have to reduce one more 3 years age. See this one, mother's age is equal to father's age minus 3. So first only we are writing X plus 35 minus 3. So it is equal to X plus 32. Kanika's percentage is X years. Then from what we had calculated already in the second question, we have calculated the father's age. From father's age, we have to relate now mother's age. So we are getting X plus 32. Now, what is the last question? Her grandfather's age is 8 times of her age. That is nothing is difficult. 8 times of anything. So 8x only. Here we have to take X. Instead of this, here in this question, Kanika's percentage, instead of X, if they had given Y. So you should apply, you should write Y only. Then what is the case here? In like Kanika's percentage will be Y. You cannot go for X. Your own choice cannot be given. Whatever the question paper question it is asked, according to that only you have to follow, right? So Kanika's percentage is X years. Related to that, you have to go for brother's age, then father's age, then third mother age, then grandfather's age. All the questions you have to read carefully and correlate the things with the statement. Then only we can do. Once again, what is brother's age? Just 2 years less. So it became X minus 2. Next, Kanika's present age, again we have written X years here. Now father is just 30 years, exceeds, means 30 years more. So what is the equation we are having? X plus 35. Now mother age, they already related with the father. So from the father's age, you have to reduce 3. So X plus 35 minus 3, it is equal to X plus 32, right? Now what is the next case? Father, grandfather's age. So 8 into X, right? Like that we have to correlate the things and we have to make. So again I'm repeating, in question it is mentioned any variable, then you should select that variable only. Other than that you cannot. If nothing is mentioned, then you can do the any variable your own choice. Clear? So Sunida is, next question, Sunida is half the age of her mother Geeta. Here find their ages after 4 years and before 3 years. So what is the Sunida's age? Sunida is half the age of her mother Geeta. So what we can take that, let the age of Sunida's mother is 2x. Then what will happen? The Sunita's age will be half into age of mother. That is Sunita's mother. So 2x by 2. Then why we are taking 2x by 2? It will become x. Right. That is the purpose we are taking. There is nothing to take as a 2x only. We can go for Sunita's mother's age as a x itself. X itself also we can go for mother age. So mother age here we have taken 2x. So calculation will be easy for us. That is why here we will get x. Right. Now what will happen here? If I want to take instead of 2x just x only. Whose age I am taking? Mother age. Right. Now what is the Sunita's age? Sunita's age will be what is Sunita's age? It will be half of the mother's age. There we'll get a half x, x by 2 will get. So for avoiding this half, that is why it is taken here 2x. In this way also we can go. Now after 4 years, what will happen? It is already we got x means x plus 4 here we can write. But here what happens? We have to write a half of x plus 4, right? Now, what is her mother's age in this case? 2x only. So 2x plus 4. Here the calculation or writing step is easy. That is why we have taken as a 2x. Nothing wrong in that, just x also we can go for. After 4 years means 4 years will be added. After 4 years means what will happen? We have to add a 4 years in both the cases. Sunita's mother's age as well as Sunita's age also. Now, what is the before 3 years means what we should do? Naturally, after the years we are adding means before what we have to do? We have to do the subtraction. So, it is Sunita's age will be from x it is x minus 3 and from mother's age it is 2x minus 3 also. So, if it is 2 times half is there, that is why double we have taken here. Instead of that, you can go for half of x also and half of x plus 4 for Sunita's age. Then after 4 years, if we are taken x is there, then x plus 4 will come. Right? Similarly, 3 years ago, x minus 3. We can write that x minus 3 only. Similarly, half x minus 3, we will go for Sunita's age. If it is x, if you are having confusion for 2x and all, you can go for x itself. So the equation will change like this only. So correlate the things and apply. Match the items of column 1 and that of the column 2. Matching can be asked in the question. So I'll just suggest you first read the question. I'll give one more suggestion here for exams. The number of corners of a quadrilateral, column 1, the variable in the equation 2 plus 2p plus 3 equal to 5. The solution of the equation x plus 2 equal to 3. Solution of the equation 2p plus 3 equal to 5. A sign is used in an equation. What is column 2? Equal is given. Constant the word is written. C option is plus 1. D option is minus 1. And E option is P. And F is X. Now we have to match that one. So the number of corners of a quadrilateral. Quadrilateral in the sense means a four side closed figure only. Rectangle is an example. Square is an example. So how many corners are there for a square or rectangle? 1, 2, 3, 4. So what we will write there? 4 only we will write. So 4 is a number. So we can say that it is a constant. So 4 is a number. We can say that it is a constant. So which option is correct? D option is correct there. So for 1, what is option for us? 1, it is B. Right? We got B only. Now what is the next question? 2p plus 3 variable in this equation. Variable means what it is actually it is a alphabet, right? Variable means alphabet only. So which letter is coming there? P. So the question number 2, it is which option is coming? That a P only, it is E, right? So we are having E. Now third question is what? What is the solution of x plus 2 equal to 3? What is the meaning of solution? When we are having a solution, we must satisfy the LHS as well as RHS, right? Already we have revised many, still anybody is having doubt means, see x plus 2 equal to 3, what value we have to put for x so that this equation satisfies with the 3 only. So you can give value for x 1 or 2, 1 0 2, like that you can try. Trial and error method we can go, otherwise transposing method we can go. If you know, if you don't know this transposing method, you can go for trial and error method only. So trial and error method we can put for 1 here. So 1 plus 2, x value I'm giving 1. What is 1 plus 2? 1 plus 2, that is 3 only. It is equal to 3. So what is the solution? Solution means what? Which value we had given for x. That is our solution. In both the case, LHS and RHS are satisfied. So we can go for the solution. Solution is 1 only. X equal to 1. So x equal to 1 we are getting for the third question. Option is x equal to 1. C is coming. So I'll write here 3. Then I have to write for C. Now fourth question. 2p plus 3 equal to 5. Same rule is applicable. Again solution only asked, right? Again solution only asked, so we are replacing p and we can try with the 1 because no other values are given here. One is 1 and another one is a minus 1 only, so two values only you can try there. Clear? What is given in the numbers there? Plus 1 as well as minus 1. So we are putting first plus 1 only. So LHS we are putting plus 1 means 2p means 2 into 1 plus 3. So what is the answer we are getting? 2 into 3, that 2 plus 3, that is equal to 5, which is our RHS, right? So what is the value we have replaced for P? It is 1 only. So again what will happen here? We are getting two answers same. See, third question also C answer we are getting, fourth question also C answer we are getting. It is also possible, right? It is also possible only. So we have to say that we have to check that C answer. There is no rule that two options cannot be same for the answer. That is, some children what will think, third answer is C came, so fourth answer how it is possible C only we should get. It's not like that. Fourth also we can get the option C. What is the next question? Fifth question. A sign used in the equation. Equation definition itself we have explained that equal sign should be there, right? So which is the correct answer? A only. So the fifth one is we have to write A only. Now the question is given in the question paper and matching is asked. Don't write like this here, and fourth question answer is here. Don't put arrows like this. Clear? What we should do? We should go down. Means after reading the question, you should take down at least like this. One answer B, second answer E, third answer C, fourth C, and fifth A. You can make it in one row also. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 down also you can write it. Don't put like this sign. We don't want like that. A sign is used in the equation. So somebody will write like this. And a solution of the equation 2p, then arrow will be like that. We don't want like this. Whatever answer you are getting, you should make a table and then write. What is the table name? First you have to put the question number, then you should write 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Then simultaneously side by side you should write the options name also, A, B, C, D, E, right? Which is the correct option. So like that you have to do the things and don't do the errors. And when you are writing the things, write neatly also. If you are using the alphabets B, C, A and E or C, the small letters are using, write them clearly. We are sometimes unable to get the printer what is written here, whether it is a E, whether it is a C, whether it is a. Sometimes we are unable to identify. So we suggest once again, you should write the things clearly only. Next, complete the entries in the third column of the table. What is the equation? 10y equal to 80. All the equations same only. See that one, 10y equal to 80. What is the value of the variable? Y equal to 10, y equal to 8, y equal to 5. Whether the equation is satisfied or not. If it is satisfied, what we should write? Yes. If it is not satisfied, what we should write? No only. So when we have to replace LHS only, we have to check, right? 10y, we are replacing y as a 10 only. So what will happen here? Here we are done the solution. Just to see, LHS equal to 10y. It is LHS. It is equal to 10y. 10 into 10 equal to 100. But what we should get actually, RHS is 80 only, right? So we are getting 100. So it is not a solution. We should write the after that it is not. So I should make the table and write here no only, right? So here not a solution we have clearly written, isn't it? So when the question is asked for check the solution, and we have to say that if it is solution yes only, or in the question if it is asked that check other number whether it is a solution or not, then you should show the steps also. So here 10 is not a solution, we have showed by the steps. Now what is the next question? 10y equal to 80. So when we have to put the second option is 8 only. So same rule, LHS, we have to put 10y and replace y by 8 only. So 10 into 8, it is equal to 80. Now what happened here? We are getting the RHS same. RHS also 80. Right? RHS also 80 only. So what is the answer? LHS and RHS are same. So it is a solution. So what we should do? We should write yes here. And the steps is below. Anybody can check also it is, right? So that is the case. Without the steps, we cannot go for the answers. All right. So y equal to 5, that is the third question. Y equal to 5, is it a solution or not a solution? So again, you understood now what we have to do. 10 into y, 50, isn't it? So that is y replaced with the 5. So what is the answer we are getting? 50. So what answer we are expecting there? We should get as 80, then it is a solution. But we are not getting 80 there, not equal. So we are not getting equal. So what we can say that it is not a solution. So what we should write in the table? We should write in the table no only. So it is called, this type of the method is called a trial and error method, because you are in a sixth class. You should learn what is a trial and error method. The other methods you will learn simultaneously the next year and the next academic years, one by one you will learn. So if you learned already well and good, but if you don't know any method, you can opt for trial and error method. But particularly this question, we can go for a trial and error method only. Otherwise, only one we can check 80 by 10, the answer will come 8. So another question, another whatever numbers we are getting, any other number if you are getting, all the answers will be wrong only. So please go through by steps only. Don't skip the steps. Max, each step carries its own mark. Right? So here 10y equal to 80. When y we are replacing with the 10, we are not getting the solution. It is no only. 10y equal to 80. When y replaced by 80, we are 80. We are getting both the side LHS as well as RHS. We are getting 80 only. So both the answers are. It is a solution. When we are replacing y by 5, what we are getting? One side we are getting 50, another side we are getting 80. So 5 is not a solution only, right? Okay. Form the expressions using y to 7. Every expressions must have y in it. Use only two number operations only. See, there should be different operations you can form here. What are the things we have to use? One is y, another one is 2, and another one is 7. Maximum operations, only two number operations are there. We have to opt for that one. So in 2y plus 7, the first one we have written one example, 2y plus 7. Anything you can write. There is nothing to worry about that too much. 2y plus 7 we have written. So which are the two operations? In 2y we have written multiplication, plus we are having additions, right? So we are having multiplication as well as additions. Once again here 2y plus 7, right? So addition here, what is the operations we have used? Multiplication. Next we have used for 2y minus 7 only, right? So the same way you can write 2y minus 7, again multiplication and this subtraction. 7y plus 2, multiplication and addition, but what we have changed, with y we have used 7. So we are getting another equation, 7y plus 2. Similarly, once you got plus, you can go for minus also, 7y minus 2 only. So what is the next question? Next equation what we are written here? Y by 2 minus 7. So division and subtraction. Next y by 2, y plus 7 by 2 plus and division only. So listen all of you, there is no strict rule for this one. We can go for the two operation criteria, and you can write in any way: addition, subtraction, addition, multiplication, addition, division, like that. Anything you wanted to operations you should use, then we can form the many equations like this, many expressions, no equations here, no equal sign is there, right? So we are having 2y plus 7, 2y minus 7, 7y plus 2, 7y minus 2, and y by 2 minus 7, y by 2, y by 7 minus 2. Like that, you are getting many equations. Some examples we have given, another examples you can try to your own way. There is no compulsory rule for this one. Just check that two number of operations are there, but don't repeat the same answer again and again. Understood? 2y plus 7 you cannot write it two times, right? Only one time only you can write it. 2y plus 7 only we can write. Clear? So this is the case. So we should follow 2y minus 7, like that. You can form any other equation also. State whether the following statements are true or false. The parts of an algebraic exponent which are connected by plus or minus sign called its terms. It's a true only. But here what happens when we are telling 2y, sorry, 2y plus 7. This 2y is called the first term, 7 is called the second terms. So it is already called terms only. This can be used for your Olympiad exams and all, because the algebraic terms, when we are getting expressions adding only 2n matchstick case we have seen, then pattern we have studied 2n minus 1, 3x plus 1, like that. So this is called terms, right? When we are writing 2y, this is called the first term, and 7, it is called the second term. When we are having 3x, only one term. When we are adding plus 10, you are getting second term, right? The each one is called, we are calling it as a terms only. Now next is this one: 5 times of x is subtracted from 8 times of y. 5 times of x, what is 5 times of x? It is 5x, and subtracted from 8 times of y. So 8y should come first. It is from, the word have you seen? From is the, so 8y minus 5x only. So this is the answer we should get, but what is given here? 5x minus 8y, so it's a wrong answer only. Number having fixed value is called a variable, again false only. A number 3, 4, 5, it's all called as a constant, not variable. Which are variable? Our alphabets, right? A number having fixed value is called a variable. It's a wrong, so it's a false only. The numerical coefficient of minus 2x square y is 2 only. Numerical means number only. Coefficient means other than variable. The number, which is the number here? Minus 2. So it is called a numerical coefficients. Maybe we have not discussed or you have not seen in this chapter these words, but it is a very good for you have the advanced knowledge. The numerical coefficient is called a minus 2 only in minus 2x square. So it is a true only. So first one is term, second one is 8, y minus 5x should come, so it is false, whatever it is given there. And again a number has value is called variable, it's wrong, it should be constant. So again it is false only. Now the numerical coefficient is minus 2, so that is true only. Next question, fill in the blanks. The value of 2x minus 12 is 0 when x equal to. So what is this question? We should replace, again solution only it is. So when we will get a 2x minus 2, 12 is 0. What is the question we have to? 2x minus 12 equal to 0 when it is possible. We should replace one by one values here. Trial and error method. First I'll put 0, then 1. So what will happen? 2 into 1. 2 minus 12 only. No, we will not get 0. So when we are replacing with the 6, what will happen? This whole term becomes 12. 2 into 6, 12. So 12 minus 12, it is equal to 0. So which is the solution? It is a solution when it is 0 means it is possible when x equal to 6 only. The value of 2x minus 12 is a 0 means x should be equal to 6 only. Now the product of 2 and x being added to the product of 3 and y. So what is the product of 2 and x? It is 2x. And what is the product of 3 and y? It is 3y added, right? The product of 2 and x, it will be 2x and added plus sign. Product of 3 and y, it is plus 3y only. Now, again, we have explained here numerical coefficient. One more example I am giving, half into x y square, which is the number there, half. So the numerical coefficient is half only. So maybe the new term for you coefficient. So other than the variable, what is the number present there that we should write there? So it is half only. Number of terms in the expressions. So just add that one. So 1, 2, 3, 4. So we'll get the 4 terms other than like terms that you learn in the higher classes only. Now you will not get that much simplified questions may not ask you. So how many terms are there? Each one you count 1, 2, 3, 4. So how many terms are there? 4. So the first answer x equal to 6, the 2x minus 12 will be 0. Next, product of 2 and x is being added to the product of 3 and y, then it will be 2x plus 3y. Then numerical coefficient is half. How many terms means it is 4 only. Okay. Next question. Length and breadth of the bulletin board are R and T. So what is the length? R. What is breadth? T only. Means L equal to R. L equal to R. Because usually L only we are using. Now breadth is equal to T. Okay. Next, what will be the length of the aluminium strip required to frame the board? Frame the board means it will be perimeter only, and in addition to perimeter 10 centimeter extra strip is required. How to write in a algebraic form this one? What will be the length of the aluminium strip? So we should go for 2 into L plus B. L is replaced with the R and B is replaced with the T only actually. So here it is T only, 2 into R plus T. Then what we should write? Plus 10 meter etc extra. So 2 into R plus, it is not a 1, it is T only, right? So 2 into R plus T plus 10 centimeter. So that is perimeter plus 10 centimeter extra. Perimeter formula 2 into L plus B. So 2 into L plus B means 2 into R plus T, close the bracket, then plus 10 should be written. If X nails are used to repair the board, then how many nails are required to 15 such boards? So X nail are used to repair one board. So one board, how many X is required? One board. X will be there. How many boards? How many nails are there? X, isn't it? How many boards are there? 15. So how many nails are required? 15 X only. One more question we can go. On my last birthday, I weighed 40 kg, right? If I put on mkg of weight after a year, what is my present weight? What is my last year weight? 40. What is the added weight? Yeah. Now, what is my present weight? So, 40 plus m only, right? So, these questions we are forming the algebraic expressions with the help of the mathematical sentence only. Now, the next question. Perimeter of a rectangle found by using the formula 2 into P equal to 2 into L plus W, where L and W are respectively length and breadth. Write the rule expressed by the formula in words. That means we have to convert the mathematical way to words only. How to write that one? The perimeter of the rectangle is twice the sum of length and breadth. Perimeter of the rectangle is twice the sum of length and breadth. So read carefully this one. It is 2 into L plus B only. Now we have to put it in words that 2 became twice. L plus B means sum of length and breadth. That only written here twice, then sum of its length and breadth. So clear it is. So like that we have to convert the mathematical terms to our in normal language only. So convert it into words only. Now one more question, let me finish. Time is already gone. So perimeter of the triangle P equal to A plus B plus C. What is the rule expressed by the formula in words? What is that one? Sum of all the three sides. How to write in a words that one? The perimeter of the triangle equal to sum of all the sides of the triangle. So this with this I'll wind up today's class, all of you.